Right, hello. Today we're going to look at how to draw an inequality. In question 1, you've got on the grid, shade the region that satisfies all three of these inequalities. So the word all is very important, all three, so underline that. And also inequalities, so that's underline that. We then look at these three inequalities. The first one says y is greater than minus 4. So what we do, we go to y, and there's y, and we go down past 0, minus 2, and minus 4. We then put a line or a dot there at minus 4. We'll get our ruler, and we then do a line. Because this inequality says that y is greater than minus 4, I will do a broken line. So it looks like this. I'm doing it in green for the moment, just to help you to see where the line is. So you can see that's the line y equals 4, but greater than y equals 4 means I must be above it. So I'll put a little arrow there, means I must be above it, greater than that line. The next one says x is less than 2. So I go to x, which is here, I then go to 2, which is here, and I do a line. And again, this time the line is a vertical line, and it's broken because it says x is less than 2. So it looks like that. Now, the third line is quite tricky because it says y is less than 2x plus 1. So we're going to plot this graph. So we need to have some values. We're going to consider y equals 2x plus 1. Now, we're going to pick some values. Maybe when x is equal to 0, 1 and 2. And we've got here y equals 2x plus 1. So we say, what is 2 times nothing? It's nothing. Add 1 is 1. So that's a coordinate. When x is 1, what's 2 times 1? 2. And add 1, you get 3. And finally we say, what's 2 times 2? 4. Add 1, 5. So we've got 3 coordinates here, and let's plot them. X is 0 and y is 1. X is 1 and y is 3. X is 2 and y is 5. So that's the line. We take our ruler and we do a line. And again, this is a broken line because it's not actually equal to. So we've got that situation. Now, it says, read the question again. On the grid, shade the region that satisfies all three of these inequalities. So it must be bigger than minus 4, it's up here. It must be less than 2, so it's over here, and it must be less than 2x plus 1. So less than is anywhere inside of this graph. So anywhere inside here, you will get this. To check this one here to make sure, if I pick the value here, say that value, which is 1 and 1. So y is 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 1 is less than 3, so no, it works. And that is how you solve and shade in inequalities with regions. Thank you for listening today.